Welcome to another Love to RV26, our April vacation as we get ready to leave Thousand Trails, Lake Conroe. We had to go check out Bluebell Ice Cream, the town of Lockhart. Also, we're leaving Thousand Trails. Overall, it's about a 9. The bathhouses, they had like 10 of them. Some had air conditionings that turned on when you enter. Some air conditionings were on all the time. So them are the ones you want to find. And of course, the biggest attraction is the lake. We definitely would come back here again as we're part of Thousand Trails system. And we got some family that lives close by. So yes, great place to come. We'll stay longer next time as we get off and out of here and start heading southbound on Interstate 40. As we're going to go check out a town called Brenham, Texas. Check out an ice cream creamery. So on the way there, as we check out the great views, wasn't a bad day today. Little overcast, perfect light winds, and this is Interstate 40 heading toward Houston. But we're going to cut off here shortly, and we end up getting to the town of Brenham, where the ice cream creamery was. Not a lot of parking for RVs, so we had to park across the street at a community center / swimming pool / high school. And so then we walked over across the street to Bluebell's Creamery. It is ice cream, yay! Shows the products of ice cream. Couldn't take pictures inside their facility plant, and they were definitely watching. So we're going to check out the visitor center. A couple of slogans. It's a fun day to eat ice cream. Bluebells taste better with a group of people. Bluebell's a state ice cream of Texas. And so it was established way back in 1907. The history of the ice cream, and it's mostly a southern state ice cream, working their way up the East Coast and toward Nevada. They have, of course, a gift shop with everything Bluebell in it, from coffee cups, t-shirts, you name it. And this is the biggest part. Here was the ice cream they had for the day. $1 a scoop. And it wasn't a little scoop either. That was a big scoop. Big cup of ice cream. You come back many times you want too. And that was triple chocolate marshmallow. And the cows, thank you for getting ice cream at the Bluebell Creamery. As you go down Main Street, Brenham, Texas. We're on West 290. As we start heading toward Lockhart, Texas, we end up going through Bastrop and through other little towns. This is the town of Bastrop coming up here. Nice roadways most of the way. It wasn't that far of a day. We had like 170 miles for the day trip today. And most roads were either 3 or 4 lanes. But then we got closer to our destination, it was 2-way traffic. Here's something you don't want to see every day. This RV was a triple axle 5th wheel travel trailer, or it looks like a toy hauler. Looks like it jackknifed off its 5th wheel. The truck is in the bushes there. Can't see it, but it's not something you want to happen. We're just hoping that everyone was safe. Looks like it's the aftermath. And they're trying to figure out a way to get it out of the weeds there and the trees. We didn't see anything about it in the news the next day, but we're hoping for the best for all the individuals involved. That's something you definitely don't want to see with an RV. And of course, got to check out the fire truck. And we are here in Dale, Texas at the Lake Falling Star RV Resort. They're down to 18 campsites. Kelly here, the owner, says they're downsizing. They're going with the little houses over here to the left because they've got a lot of contractors that are wanting space. There's a couple big projects from wind turbines to road construction. There's half the sites here were contractors, and half of them were night workers, so they're sleeping during the day here. It's quiet. Their swimming pool was closed and their bathhouse was closed. You know, they opened them up in May, so you had to be self-contained yourself, but you did have power, water, sewer hookups here. Very nice concrete pads that were level. You had a picnic table there, had a little structure there for your barbecue. The place is actually really nice. It's pretty big, especially for the dog to run all over the place. And she had the opportunity to run all over the place, chase the ball. There's a dry lake bed out there also, way out there. The Army Corps of Engineers was redoing the dam, so the lake bed was dry. And she says, go out there and have fun, run around. And we did. We walked all over the place. And you can see some of the sites there. It covers, most of the people there were the night workers who were sleeping. This is the town of Lockhart, Texas. Now we're going to stop at one of the many barbecue places here in the town of Lockhart. This is Chisholm barbecue, brisket ribs, chicken, sausage. That's a pretty big place. This place was established in 1978. It's one of the many barbecue joints in this town. They have like 12, all famous, voted the best. And I think Lockhart's known as the barbecue capital of Texas for a small little town. And yeah, brisket, sausage, you name it, it had it. Chicken. So that was Chisholm's Trail Barbecue. And this is Athens at a huge park in the town of Lockhart. Had a little lake trail there. It was a mile walking around. Huge park. A cemetery also on the other end. So a nice place to walk the dog, enjoy the day. And this is Main Street, Lockhart, Texas. And like I said, it's the barbecue capital of Texas, and they must have 12 different barbecue joints in this town. 4 of them are all family owned. And this street right there, which you didn't see too much, was Chamberlain. Our friends live off Chamberlain, out here in the middle of Dale, Texas. So we did business some friends out here. Stayed today too. Chino's in heaven. She had her animals all around her. From our friends had a bunch of animals, cats, dogs. And again, thank you for watching this video. More to come. So please subscribe, comment, and like. Love and hugs all. Thank you.